Dr. Shah, I've been looking into using the dynamic compression plate for Mr. Milton's femur fracture. He's been non-weight bearing for 6 weeks, but his x-rays still show delayed healing. I'm wondering if the external fixator should be replaced with the plate for better stability.
I see your point, Mihira. The dynamic compression plate is useful for stabilizing long bone fractures, especially when there's a lack of proper healing. But have you considered continuing with the external fixator for a bit longer? Sometimes switching too soon might disrupt the little healing that started.
True, but I'm concerned that prolonged use of the external fixator is contributing to muscle wasting in his leg. He's already showing signs of atrophy. Wouldn't the plate allow for more controlled mobilization and prevent further loss of muscle mass?
It could, but Mihira, the plate has its risks too, particularly if the bone isn't ready for that level of stress. We should check his bone density and maybe start with partial weight-bearing exercises before considering a switch. The plate would allow for better alignment, but I'd prefer caution with a phased approach.
Agreed. Let's reassess after the bone density scan, but keep the plate as an option if things don't improve.
Mihira, I know you're feeling quite unwell, and I want to explain what might be causing these bothersome symptoms. It sounds like you might be experiencing acute sinusitis, which is essentially an inflammation of the lining inside your sinuses, the small hollow spaces located behind your cheekbones and the back of your nose. I understand these symptoms are uncomfortable, but it's important for you to know that acute sinusitis is very common and usually not serious. Mihira, for most people, is a self-resolving condition, meaning your body's own immune system will typically fight off the inflammation, often caused by a cold or a minor infection, and the symptoms will gradually improve on their own within a week or two. We can certainly provide advice and treatments to help manage the discomfort while you recover. We'll focus on keeping you comfortable and monitoring your progress closely.